The beginning. In National Geographic's Before Space and Time, it was claimed, before the Big Bang, there was nothing. Literally nothing. And the black void of space is something. So is time. Later on in that same documentary, astronomer Robert Hurt explained the following. The Big Bang was not just an explosion of material into an empty universe that was sitting there, waiting to be filled. It was the explosion of space and time into existence to begin with. Now there's some important points here. If you're like me, you have a hard time understanding what nothing means. Maybe you put yourself out in space and start deleting everything, so it's just black. But that's not nothing, is it? It's not nothing any more than this is nothing. This is a black screen, but it's not nothing. When we talk about nothing existing before the universe, we literally mean nothing. No space, no time, no matter, no energy, no anything. Or it's explained by Aristotle. Nothing is what rocks dream about. That is nothing. Literally no thing. Now how do we go from nothing, no thing, to everything, to the universe itself? How does that happen? Well, we know the answer can't be nothing, because nothing acting upon nothing will always, without exception, result in nothing. It cannot result in something, much less everything. So the answer cannot be nothing. As explained by philosopher William Lane Craig, to claim that something came into being from nothing is worse than magic. When a magician pulls a rabbit out of a hat, at least you've got the magician, not to mention the hat. So we see that nothing cannot result in everything. There must be something that created what we would consider everything, the universe itself. But what can that be? Well, let's start minimizing what we know can be the cause. Space, time, and matter and energy had a beginning. That's what we've seen so far. Check out my channel. Now, the arena of space, time, matter, and energy is what we call the natural world. This is the natural world. The natural world had a beginning. It came into existence. Therefore, whatever created the natural world is not natural. Nature didn't exist yet. Whatever doesn't exist can't be the cause, much less its own cause. So whatever created the natural world cannot be natural. It must be not natural. It must be beyond nature. It must be supernatural. Now that just flows logically. Understanding the natural world had a beginning, whatever created it's not natural, it's supernatural. So this cause is supernatural. So what created everything?